Hey YouTube, welcome or welcome back. The Latina Baddie look is trending and today we're serving the ultimate Latina Baddie vibes. Smoky eyes, snatched contour and glossy nude lips. Stay tuned until the end for more shots of the finished look. I've prepped my base starting with Revolution's Pore Blur, then a colour corrector for under eye darkness. I'm skipping concealer since MAC Studio Fix provides full coverage, then setting it all with MAC Studio Fix powder, pressing it into the skin using a short dense foundation brush for a flawless look. To start the eyes, I'll be using the Revolution bronzer with a large fluffy brush, blending it above the crease using soft sweeping motions to create a diffused blown out effect. I'll extend the colour into a subtle V shape at the outer corner for added lift and dimension. Next I'm layering MAC's Warm Tan eyeshadow with another large blending brush, applying it just below the first shade to build depth. Switching to a small detail brush, I'll sweep the same shade along the entire lower lash line, extending it into the outer corner while angling the brush slightly to form a more refined soft V shape. This ensures a natural elongated effect while seamlessly transitioning the shades together. For added definition, I'm taking a deep brown eyeshadow on a slim precision brush, applying it directly through the crease, outer V and along the outer corner to intensify the depth. Now I'll carve out the eyelid using a flat brush and a touch of foundation for a subtle cut crease effect. Over this, I'm pressing a light cream eyeshadow with a soft flat shader brush, blending it seamlessly into the deeper brown at the outer corner for a smooth gradient transition. For eyeliner, I'm using a felt tip pen liner to create a sharp yet timeless wing, enhancing the eye shape with precision. Before mascara, I'm priming my lashes to boost volume and longevity. Then using a volumizing mascara, I'll wiggle the wand from root to tip, building maximum thickness and definition. To complete the eyes, I'm adding MAC false lashes for extra drama and lift. For contour, I'm using the Revolution bronzer with a large fluffy brush, buffing it just below my cheekbones to enhance structure. To sharpen the look, I'll angle the brush slightly, then blend out the edges for a soft airbrushed finish. I'll also sweep the bronzer along my hairline for warmth and balance. For nose contour, I'm using a fan brush to lightly define the sides and tip for a natural sculpted effect. Using a clean angled brush, I'll refine the blend to ensure a seamless transition. For blush, I'm applying MAC's Raisin shade with a fluffy cheek brush, sweeping it across the apples of my cheeks and blending slightly upward for a warm, lifted flush. To highlight, I'm taking MAC's Global Glow highlighter on a short fluffy brush, applying it to the high points of my face, so the tops of my cheekbones, temples, bridge and tip of my nose for a radiant glow. With a small precision brush, I'll add a touch to my cupid's bow to enhance the lips. For the perfect nude glam pout, I'm lining my lips with MAC's Whirl Lip Liner to define and shape. Then I'm applying MAC's Modesty Lipstick, blending it smoothly for a soft, sophisticated finish. To complete the look, I'm topping it off with a clear gloss for that ultra lush shine. So that's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, give that like button a hug and subscribe. Sharing is caring, so feel free to pass this along or reach out for collabs. For more looks and reels, follow me on Instagram and DM me with any questions. I really appreciate your support. Thanks for hanging out. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.